Have you ever wondered, if they're both iPhone 17, what actually makes the Pro version different? Well, today we're going to break it all down. iPhone 17 Pro versus iPhone 17. Two Apple flagships that look almost identical, but have some surprisingly big differences. Let's start with the display. Both phones use a 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate and FHD plus resolution. So in terms of visuals, they're practically identical. Sharp, bright, and super smooth for scrolling or watching movies. No winner yet. It's a perfect tie between the regular and the Pro model. Now let's move on to performance, but where things start to get interesting. The iPhone 17 Pro comes with Apple's A19 Pro chip, while the regular iPhone 17 runs on the standard A19. Both are extremely powerful, but the Pro version offers better efficiency and GPU performance, making it perfect for video editing, heavy gaming, or extreme multitasking. Next up, the most exciting part, the camera. Both models feature an 18-megapixel front camera for sharp and natural selfies. But on the back, this is where the Pro truly shines. They both have a 48-megapixel main camera and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide. But the iPhone 17 Pro adds one more lens, a 48-megapixel Periscope telephoto. That means you can zoom farther while keeping incredible detail without losing quality. So if you're into photography or videography, the iPhone 17 Pro is clearly the wow option. Now let's talk about battery and charging. The iPhone 17 Pro packs a 3,988 mAh battery, slightly larger than the 3,692 mAh on the regular iPhone 17. Both support 40-watt fast charging, so the difference isn't huge, just a bit more endurance on the Pro side. In conclusion, if you want the fastest iPhone with a professional-grade camera and a little extra battery life, the iPhone 17 Pro is the one to go for. But if you just need flagship performance without paying extra for the Pro camera features, the regular iPhone 17 is already more than enough. So, are you Team Pro with the Periscope lens or Team Regular? More affordable but still premium. Drop your choice in the comments and don't forget to request the next phone comparison video.